Hello people, today I wanted to publish video tutorial how to texture this UV Unwrap in Cinema 4D, because actually I was struggling before with material editor in V-Ray, but I have already fixed. Today I wanted to create new material for t-shirt. Oh, wait a minute, because I thought I would be able to use the same keyboard shortcut. Today I wanted to show you, maybe I will subdivide this t-shirt, because this looks too square, too polygonal. Before I will do something else. I think if I set to 1, that's fine, because this looks a little bit better than that object. And before I will do something else, I just have to clean up a little bit my t-shirt, and I will quickly show you what I will do after that slide. And I will hold the button here to weld vertices, control, because I want to use this t-shirt. Okay, I think our t-shirt seems to be okay. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use UV Unwrap. Oh, this looks so much better. We will need to select edges, and I will show you what to do. I will save project. This is actually experimental project. This option deletes previous operations. And also, if you have problems when texture disappears, I will show you how to fix that. But for now, I will import new materials. Fabric. I like very much. Oh, this is nice. But I was thinking if this is suitable. Also, I don't know. This looks like carpet. I like this material. We will use this material for our texture. I am happy because I have very fast internet, people. Because in this video tutorial, I must show you how to unwrap properly texture. We have completely different maps like color displacement, normal map, roughness map, depending what type of material are you working with. Okay, what we got here? Diffuse, because I use V-Ray renderer. So we import a little bit different way. Okay, I need it for now color map. Okay, now I will show you how I will be unwrapping object. We have to have edges selected. Maybe like that for now. And after that, UV edit. Of course, if you want to change the pattern of your t-shirt, you can either reset UV or try once again. But what I do, I use option called flat, because this is the best option to texture once again. Oh, and now we have t-shirt like that. Depending what edges are you selecting, as I told you before. After that, you hit a flat button and we use UV Unwrap. Actually, I will try to also erase sec UV, then flat, and because I already selected the bottom edge of the polygon, maybe I will try next edge flat, and once again UV unwrap. Oh, we have two separate patches. I think I will need to select maybe this. I was thinking maybe I will deselect this, then flag again, then UV unwrap. This is what we need. Now we have two separate patches of the t-shirt. There's one beautiful tool which you can use when you work with polygons. Wait a minute. Where was this? UV edit? UV transform? I like very much this tool. When you hold the shift and left mouse button, you can resize your texture like that. What is keyboard shortcut? Control T. Okay, let's check keyboard shortcut. Control T. Again, you press. You can also rotate. Oh, wait a minute. One thing I don't like, this looks a little bit odd. I wonder if they have tool like transform bitmap. I don't know how many tools they have, because Blender has live unwrap. I don't know if Cinema 4D has the same tool. No, I can't do that. Okay, maybe I will try to... No, I will have to check something. I think this only works with a single edge. Hey, wait a minute. I didn't want to select like that. I think now I can check if I can still unwrap. Why this is applying also for this t-shirt? What I will do, oh, I have magnet tool. I didn't know I can use magnet tool. Oh, I could actually resize the t-shirt. Oh no. And because this works, it will be strange. And okay. Because we have additional tools like Stitch. I think I have to use lasso selection because this will help me. I will have to check if tool called Stitch works for connecting edges because I never used this tool before. Let's check because I really want to check if that tool is working. Wait a minute. Why I can't weld this? Maybe I should use point selection. I really thought that there is tool like Stitch. Oh, I see something important. Blender has similar thing, but I never tried to use Live Unwrap in Cinema 4D. Well, let's check T-shirt. I think T-shirt looks okay, but it doesn't align properly. Okay, I want to try tool unstitch. Anytime, you can always improve or update your t-shirt. I think I still have to select this. This smaller one I need to fix. Oh, it's almost perfect. Not great, maybe, not looking great, but it is still okay. Okay, let's get back to model viewport. This is our t-shirt. I still have to add additional maps to it because I didn't add maps. Whole map mapping. I use displays instead because displays will give more realistic look. And if you have issue when cinema 4D loses material, like you don't see where you see missing textures. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I thought this material disappeared. Okay, it is still here. So you can go to File, you can go to edit preferences, files. You can add a folder so Cinema 4D will remember where missing files are. And you will no longer have problems with missing texture after adding files, after adding path to files. I hope you like my video tutorial. I have to go to Oli's shop in a minute for bread to get bread. And have a nice day, guys.